Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to play Tombola and the rules of today's game which we have with Rotary Tripura Prime. I hope you must have got these tickets on your WhatsApp. So these are the ticket number. So every ticket is unique in itself with a unique set of 15 numbers. Okay, so here what you can do is either you can take a printout of the ticket from your WhatsApp, whatever you got from the WhatsApp or the social media e-tickets, or you can also scan these tickets using this QR code within the application. So once you scan this QR code, you will get the same ticket. So here the ticket number is 3 which I have scanned, and this is the printout ticket. So here I have got the exact same copy of the ticket with mention as Rotary Club. So I'll show you how to scan it. So this is the app. The link of this app will be in the description. You can check from there. You can download the app from there. Once you open this app, there is an option scan and play Tombola. So once you click on scan and play Tombola, it asks you to scan QR code. Click on scan QR code, and then you just need to scan this QR code which is present over here. So once that QR code is scanned, the ticket will come to your phone. So let's begin how to play Tombola, and I'll also tell the rules of the game. So if you already know how to play Tombola, please bear with us. I'll explain the rules of today's game. The meeting ID of the today's game you will get on WhatsApp, and if you have paid and you haven't received the tickets, you can write to us in comment section. We will get in touch with our coordinators and share the tickets with you. So let's begin our game. How to play this game? So here I have 4 tickets, 2 print out, 1 I created it, and 1 I scanned it. So let's understand how to play that game. So this is the app which I am using to host this game. Okay, so I'll go with the manual option. So this is the board which we got after this. So once the host will announce the number, on the Zoom ID. You will get the WhatsApp as well for whatever number are being called, and you will see the live board as well on your system screen or your mobile screen once you join the Zoom meeting. Okay, so let's begin. So host will announce the number, like 39. Here the number is 39. So what you need to do is search your ticket. If you have 39 number in your ticket, you just need to cut that. So let me check my ticket. So here I have 37, here 35. There is no 39 number in these 4 tickets. So let's go ahead. I'm just muting this. 3535. So let me check if any of the ticket have 35. I'll cut that number. So 23. Here we have 35. I'll cut this. Here we don't have. So similarly, going further, the host will keep on announcing the numbers, and what you need to do is cut those number in your ticket. So I'm not going to play the entire game. So just let's mock it and quickly go ahead with the rule section and an easy way to find numbers in your ticket. So the easy way to find the numbers in your ticket is the number less than 10 will always be in first column. Numbers between 10 to 19 will always be in second column. The numbers from 20 series will be in third column. Numbers in 30 series will be in fourth column, and so on. So number in 80 series will come in the ninth column. So if you check in any of the tickets, you will find the similar manner. In the fun section, you will have only a number from 1 to 9. Second column, it will be from 10 to 19. Third column, 20 to 29. Similarly, last column, 80 to 89. Okay. So you don't have to search the entire ticket to find the call number. You just need to find the exact place of the exact column and just cross the number if that number is in your ticket. If it's not there, do not worry, your numbers will come. Okay, so now let's quickly cover the dividends of today's game, the prizes. However, this game is for a fundraising program. However, we do have some prizes as decided by the host and must have been shared with you all. So let's quickly cover those prizes. So the number 1 prize is the early 5. So what is early 5? Early 5 means any 5 numbers of your tickets are cut. So for example, these are the numbers which are cut in your ticket. So once these 5 numbers are cut in your ticket, you just need to unmute your mic and just say I have done early 5. So what we will do, the host will check your ticket number, and if the ticket is valid, you have cross the valid numbers, then early 5 prize will be given to you. There are some rules to it. If the early 5 claim has already been claimed, then you cannot claim it again. So for example, ticket number 21 assigned to some other person has already claimed early 5, then this prize is over. You don't have to go with early 5 again. You don't have to call early 5. Okay, so one ticket, one prize, and if one prize is gone, you cannot claim that prize again. So this is the basic, very important rule, that is, there is one prize, one ticket, plus if you have already claimed a prize, someone has already claimed one prize, you cannot claim that prize again. Okay, so let's go to the new dividend, the next dividend. The next dividend we have is corners. So what is corners? Corners is first row, the first number and the last number, the last row, first number and the last number. So basically we have 4 corners. So when these 4 corners are cut, we have to claim corners price. So what if you don't have a number over here, this corners, these 2 we have. So in this case, whatever the number which comes prior to this, that is 71, this is your corner. In this case, the number on the right hand side, 16, this is your corner. So I'll show you one more ticket with the corners. So for example, we have this ticket here, number 6 is already at the corner. Here the corner number will be 17. Here the corner number will be 75, as it is next to this on the left side, and this is already at the corner. Similarly, here we have 1, 2 places are already blank, so this 20 will consider as a corner. So basically 20, 1, 80 and 85. When these numbers are already cut, let me remove this. So when these 4 numbers are cut, that is 20, 1, 80, 85, then you need to claim the corner price. Okay, now let's move to the next dividend. The next dividend which we have is row number 1. So this is the row number 1. So once all these 5 numbers of your ticket present in row number 1 are cut, then you need to claim the top row price. So when 6, 10, 35, 50, 75, all these numbers are being called by the host, and you have to cut these numbers. When all these numbers are cut, then you need to claim the top row price. I am once again repeating the most important rules, that is one ticket, one prize. So plus, if someone has already claimed this prize, you cannot claim that prize again. So what is one ticket, one prize? It means if, for example, the ticket number 2 has already claimed early 5, you cannot claim any other prize going forward. Okay, so if you have already claimed early 5, that means you have used your entire ticket. You have got the prize, so you can keep on playing with your ticket, but you cannot claim a prize. Okay, even if you got a house full, even in that case. So this is one ticket, one prize, plus if one prize is already been called, you cannot claim it again. Let's go ahead with our next dividend. Next dividend or next prize is for middle row. So what is middle row? Middle row is this section. When 4, 19, 37, 56, 69. When these 5 numbers are called, that means you have got a middle row prize. You have claimed a middle row prize. Now going ahead with the next dividend. Next dividend is bottom row. Bottom row is when the bottom row of your ticket, that is the last row of your ticket. In this ticket we have 9, 28, 58, 79, 81 in our ticket. When all these 5 numbers are being cut out, then you need to claim the bottom row prize. Okay. After this we have 3 full houses. What are full houses? Full houses means once you have completed all the 50 numbers are in your ticket are being called out by the host. So for example, like we stopped at 79, the next number is 10, next number is 41, 60, 29, 85, 26, 88, 38, 71. So for example, if 71 comes, you just need to cut this number in your ticket, that 71 is being called. Then if all the numbers are in your ticket are called out, you just need to claim a prize, that I have completed a full house. Full house simply means cutting. The host has called all numbers and you have cut the ticket number So when all the numbers in your tickets are being called out by the host, you need to claim the first full house. Similarly, we have full house number 2, full house number 3. So once all the numbers in your tickets have been called out, you need to claim the full house. After full house 1, the other set of people who haven't won the prizes, they will come into the league, and once they claim, any one of them claim a prize, after that another set of persons who haven't claimed any prizes till yet, they will come into a league of winning the full house number 3. So this is how we will proceed with the game and the rules of the game. So I hope you all the very best to every one of you who are watching my video, and also who are playing but not able to watch my video. So I wish you all the very best.